Yeah, a sexy one. Okay, so we just got up here about 10 minutes ago. Nice, just set up our bed. We keep all of our blankets in these bins just to keep them away from bugs and everything when we're not here. So pillows, blankets, everything go in there. So we're doing that. Our son is coming up tonight. So I made the top bunk for him and his girlfriend. Put out 2 sleeping bags and 2 pillows for them. They are on their way up to Portland. And we have a lantern. Brought up lots of goodies and snacks to eat tomorrow. We also brought a heater, although it's like 45 degrees out, so it's not very cold. So we might be fine this time. Alrighty, that's it for today. And we shall see you guys tomorrow. Later. Okay, bye. Kiddos are leaving from our bossy adventures.
I might bring up Carlton and maybe ask Brian if he wants to come too.
Yeah.
I'll try to hang out here.
Awesome. You could. That does, yeah, that doesn't sound very Bye. So John, what are we going to do today?
Oh my goodness. We're going to tear out some trees where the house is going to be built eventually.
Look, are you happy because it won't find you?
Yeah, you can just do it.
Okay, John, what are we going to do today?
We're going to tear out some trees up there on the hill where the house is going to go. That's about it.
All right.
Some
let's
tractor
get to work.
time.
Awesome.
damn thing's working. Need to put it in a better spot. I don't have a better spot.
Okay, so I've been inside, staying nice and warm, and let's see. I'm not going to show you inside because it is a mess, but it is warm in there. So we are going to see what is up with John and how far he has got. So let me turn this camera around. So, So that is our first huge pile. And this is our second huge pile. All of this.